Hey guys, it's Laurie from Lauries Lines, and today I'm going to show you how to do sleep tracking. So you can do sleep tracking in a number of different ways. You can put it in many different places in your journal. You can use one of your custom tabs to track your sleep. You can include your sleep tracking in one of those tabs. For instance, you could put it under your health tab, or you can pull up it right down into your calendar. That's what I'm going to do right now. So we're going to click here. This is my spread for today. I haven't filled it out yet because I want to do my sleep tracking first. So what I want to do is add a blank page right before this guy. So I'm going to go up here and click on that. I'm going to grab any blank page I see in my journal table of contents list here. It doesn't matter which ones. So if you go to Edit and Copy, and I want my sleep tracker to come right before I get started planning my week. So then I'm going to add that page in by hitting the plus button, and I'm going to hit this and paste copied page. And that's how I get my blank page before today's page. Okay. All right, so that's step one, picking out where you want to put your sleep tracker. Then what we're going to do is open up. I'm working on a brand new sticker pack that should be available very soon, all about sleep tracking, sleep health, sleep-related things. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see in this sticker pack, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I'll be sure to include it. So already we've got a couple different trackers. I'm going to use this one. It has the times already written in, or you can do it yourself with a blank table over here. I have a white background or a transparent background, depending on what your journal page looks like and what you prefer. So I'm going to go ahead and select that tracker, and then go back to my planner, and I'm going to paste it in. You can make it as big or as small as you want, of course. You can also, once you decide where to place it when you're using your sleep tracker, you can always zoom in and zoom out. So if you made it small and if it was hard to read in this view, you could always go in and out. Okay, now I'm just going to decorate this page up a little bit, and then I will show you how I actually use it on a daily basis. Okay, I have my sleep tracker for September all set up and ready to go. And now this is how I would actually track my sleep. So on September 1st, oh, I forgot this part. September 1st, I believe, is a Saturday. So I like to write in the days of the weeks alongside with the dates. Just helps me when I can't remember what the actual date is. I usually know what day it is. So I'm going to quickly go through and write the days of the week. Okay, there we go. So then I color in the blocks where I've slept, and I like to use the highlighter When you use a highlighter, you can still see the numbers underneath. Here, I'll show you. Oops. Highlighter. You can still see things underneath, whereas when you use the marker, it just blacks things out. So I'm going to select my highlighter. I can pick any color and sleep. So I don't know, I like blue for that. And then, so this is, you know, night into morning, into your day, and then nighttime. So on September, let's pretend it's, you know, September 1st now, and I slept through the night 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. I got up at 6. And then I took a little afternoon nap from 2 to 3. And then I went to bed, so I would track this the next day. I went to bed at 10. I'm coloring that in until the moment I woke up again. So after a month, you get a really good glimpse of how your sleep health is doing, how consistent you're being, if you're getting enough sleep, and things like that. So I'm going to show you what that will look like at the end of the month. All right, there you have it. If you wanted to make it darker, of course, you could color in more. I just did the one line for the sake of speeding up the video a little bit. But as you can see, at the end of the month, you can really see like, oh, if I'm waking up a lot during the night, oh, look at that, I'm going to bed later on those nights, etc., etc. So just a really good way to keep tabs on how well you're sleeping and what changes need to be made, if any need to be made. And then over here real quick is just a little bedtime routine check-in that I try to do every night, just to rest assured that I get the best night's sleep possible. All right, don't forget, if you have any requests for the sleep bonus sticker pack, just leave them in the comments below. Have fun with this. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you soon. Bye.